How to Buy Stocks by Engel and Henry R. Hecht. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Risk takers are essential in the world of finance. These are the people who are willing to take a chance in order to make a profit. There are different types of risk takers, such as investors, speculators, and venture capitalists. Investors are those who take a moderate risk in order to earn a moderate return. They usually invest in stable, well-known companies. Speculators, on the other hand, take bigger risks in the hopes of making a large profit quickly. Venture capitalists are a type of speculator who take a longer-term view. They invest in new businesses that need time to grow and become profitable. These risk takers play an important role in the financial world. Without them, new companies would not have the funding they need to get started, and existing businesses would struggle to survive tough times or expand. They provide the capital and support that businesses rely on to succeed. I hope you found the information about How to Buy Stocks by Engel and Henry R. Hecht. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.